Welcome back. It is a drug that you've probably heard of by now, hydroxychloroquine. The state putting out a directive last week warning against hoarding, and now it's being used to treat COVID-19 patients. News 8's Lindsay McCombs at the live desk after speaking with a pharmacist about this today. Lindsay.
Well, Brian, I caught up with David Miller, who's a pharmacist at Keystone Pharmacy, about Lara's directive from last week and also what the FDA's latest authorization means for treatment.
We had one doctor try to get 510 doses for himself and his family, which is just an absurd amount.
Pharmacist David Miller spoke to Target 8 last week after seeing attempts to hoard a drug that's now being used to treat COVID-19 patients. Lara ultimately put out a directive warning against stockpiling. Some of the reaction we were seeing, people were interpreting that directive from Lara as a ban on the usage of it entirely. How do you respond to some of the misinformation that was coming out or the reaction that we were seeing?
I certainly don't see it as a ban. I saw it as a precaution that people shouldn't use it inappropriately or stockpile it inappropriately. And that Lara would be auditing records to see who might be doing that.
In a statement to News 8 Tuesday, Lara's director said prescribers and dispensers have a responsibility to apply the best standards of care and use their clinical judgment when prescribing and dispensing these and any other drugs to treat patients with legitimate medical conditions. Over the weekend, the FDA approved an emergency authorization related to hydroxychloroquine. It means hospitals and doctors can have easier access, but Miller says the important perspective is this is to treat, not prevent COVID-19.
The FDA directive is specifically for clinical trials for people who are ill, who might benefit from this drug. It does not allow for the prophylaxis of the disease with this drug. It's strictly for treatment.
Now, one of the reasons why this shouldn't be used to prevent trying to prevent getting sick with COVID-19 is because there are known side effects with high dosage as well as long-term usage. We have more information on that at woodtv.com. At the live desk, Lindsay McCombs, News 8.